Here's a certified 2018 Cadillac CT6 sedan. A revolution in power, refinement, agility, and innovation for an unmatched driving experience. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, hands-free liftgate, V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and automatic park assist 2. Car and driver effuses, the CT6 is best appreciated in the real world, preferably in motion, whether it be catching the reflections of skyscrapers or charging along a challenging mountain road. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.